A former Edo State Deputy Governor, Philip Shaibu, says the seat arrangement rule between Senator Natasha Akpabio and Natasha Akpabio should not be reduced to a gender affair. Shaibu spoke on Channels Television's Sun and Rise daily program on Wednesday, said seats and offices of federal lawmakers are privileges and not rights. According to him, seats and offices must be lobbied for by federal lawmakers. The former deputy governor once occupied the Etsako Federal Constituency House of Representatives seat in the National Assembly from June 2015 to March 2016. Before then, he spent 8 years at the Edo State House of Assembly as a lawmaker. Shaibu said, interestingly, Natasha is my friend. Senator Akpabio, the president of the Senate, is my political father.
Yeah, interestingly, Natasha is my friend, and Senator Akpabio, the president of the Senate, is my political leader. I think the issues is that there are rules guiding the House. That was in the National Assembly. It's the prerogative of the leadership of the House to allocate office and to allocate seats. And and in the House, there is what they call lobby. You lobby for everything. For you to have a good office when you come in, maybe because of my experience as a two-time member of Edo State Assembly, when I came to Abuja, from day one, I went quickly to lobby, check the kind of offices that they have, areas and the location. I was able to lobby to have my office close to where I wanted it. And seats, I was able to also hurriedly go and lobby for where I want to sit. Whereas some persons that were coming for the first time did not know that you lobby for things like that. So there are rules. The rules of the House is clear. And you must be guided by the rules. It doesn't mean whether you are a man or a woman. The rules are meant for the House. So
he made it clear that the issue of seats and offices are privilege and it does not think it's a gender thing, and he suggested a miscommunication somewhere. Recall that on February 20, 2025, Apoti Uduaghan, who represents Kogi Central Senatorial District, rejected her assigned seat in the Red Chamber and challenged the Senate President's order. However, the female senator accused the Senate President of harassment and slammed a 100 billion naira alleged defamation suit against him, while the Akpabio-led Upper Legislative Chamber has referred her to the Senate's Disciplinary Committee. While this news has generated reactions online, we would love to hear your opinion. Please drop a comment in the comment box section below and stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.